Model, 2019 Vauxhall Vivaro, S 1.6 CDTI factory-fitted crew cab non-runner timing chain 87 miles no VAT. Body, grey, crew cab. Mileage, 87,473. Engine, 1,598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine sounds over faster than normal and slight popping from intake timing chain has slipped, jumped. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, 2 keys, electric windows, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £9,150. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.